Hi, I'm Sophia.
My name is Ethan.
I'm Kira.
My name's Joe.
Hi guys, my name's Nathaniel.
My name's Margaret, and I've been at Landmark for 3 years.
This is my 7th year at Landmark.
I have been at Landmark for 3 years now.
This is my 3rd year at Landmark.
I've been at Landmark for 6 years now.
I'm a junior.
I'm a senior.
I'm a sophomore.
I'm a senior.
I'm a junior. I'm from Acton, Massachusetts.
From Oakland, California.
From Sudbury, Massachusetts, which is about an hour away from campus.
Some activities I like to do on campus is chorus. I do 3 sports.
I was the captain of the girls' volleyball team.
Wrestling, sailing,
Played volleyball in the fall. I'm a tour guide.
The sailing team.
debate, student council.
I've done the international club, soccer team, track and field.
International club, I'm vice president of that.
I do community service when I can.
Stock club, international club.
I'm also a part of the school student council. I'm the president this year.
I'm on the athletic council.
Chorus and guitar.
And for community service, there's a variety of options that are given to you, and so any chance I get, I take part.
So the Science Center is pretty new. It's really pretty inside, and there's a really nice view of the ocean, which is probably one of my favorite parts of it.
It's got 5 labs and a bunch of classrooms. The classrooms are a little bit larger than the other buildings on campus, so you still have that small group of students in a larger setting. We have the basic bio, we have physics, we have chemistry, and we also have some other classes like robotics.
I think it would be one of the most active places for like academic buildings because we have science fair that goes on. Every week we have different labs.
They really help you learn the materials by showing you how to do it. It's not just textbooks.
One of the coolest things is the marine biology gets to go in the ocean, which is like in our backyard, which is really nice, and I kind of wish I took that. But yeah, it's a really pretty building.
So Governor's Landing, aka the math building, is definitely, I think, the most used because every single kid has a math. And the math building's really cool because it's right on the ocean, so you get to look at the beautiful scenery, especially when it's nice out.
It's one of our older buildings on campus. It used to be an old mansion, actually.
One of my favorite things about this building is the view. It overlooks the water, and I really find that helpful because sometimes when I get frustrated during a math class, looking out and seeing like the water just kind of calms me and helps me like refocus back into my math learning.
My favorite thing about the math center is that like they always have a challenge problem, either the month or the week, that you can work on. It's like a good review of the content and like helps with getting a better understanding of what you're learning.
I love how they keep the classrooms smaller, so when the teacher comes to help me and I need help, that I'm getting that individualized learning from it.
It's like the whole school is very like structured to your learning, and there's a lot of like hands-on, I feel like, in math, which is really nice.
This is the Ansara Athletics Center, our gym. It's got a full basketball court, it's got a full workout room, and it's also got a wrestling room.
Most sports, besides like soccer and lacrosse and tennis, happen down there, and all the athletic-related electives.
Like I know friends that are doing weightlifting, yoga, or physical education. The outdoor leadership program, which I've taken, love that program.
I know for like big games like basketball games, the whole community comes down.
It's where like pep rallies and everything happen.
We've had all school meetings there. I've hosted a dorm night.
We have school dodgeball tournaments in there. We have assembly.
I know for me being an athlete, that's like one of my places where I'll go to just like de-stress. I'll go work out, hang out with friends, shoot some hoops during free time.
It's pretty much an all-purpose facility at most of the campus, and kids really enjoy.
The Alexander Building, I feel like, is what Landmark is like known for. Like, that's like a picture of Landmark. It's super pretty. There's a lot going on in there. It's not just like one building for one thing. So we have like our library, language arts, that's where I have my English class.
What I like about the language arts department is how they take in what I'm specifically at Landmark for, so that I'm not only getting the same learning as everybody else, but they're also helping me with specifically what I need help on.
The guidance department, which helps you with college stuff.
You'll make a list on what colleges you want to go into, what majors you're potentially wanting to do.
The counselors.
Definitely one of the best programs I think Landmark has.
So sometimes I go there like if I'm homesick or something, and I just want to like talk to someone who's, I don't know, like there to help me.
They really just work you through whatever you need to do step by step.
Helping you organize your time, and also to help you make sure that you feel safe and actually happy at Landmark.
We also have the tutorial center, and they're just like little cubbies, but it's like super nice because it's like quiet in there, and it's like just you and your tutorial teacher, and it's very like personal.
I also see it as a fun opportunity to get to know one teacher over the course of the year. You form a bond with that teacher.
That's literally a class for just you, and I just think that's like so special. Like I don't know like any school that does that.
So the Alexander Dining Hall is once again one of the better views on campus.
They have this big stretch of glass windows that overlooks the ocean.
If there's parents coming in, driving their kids to school, they can come in, grab a cup of coffee, eat some breakfast, wait out some traffic.
The food at the dining hall is really good.
They have tons of options: cereal, oatmeal,
Bagel bar,
fruit, toast,
we have a full salad bar that is open lunch and dinner,
soup, sandwiches,
a panini maker, 2 panini makers, many drink choices.
The dining service is very accommodating for those who have allergies and stuff.
You can always find something to eat at Landmark.
Just kind of look at the dorm as a home away from home.
Your house kind of becomes like your family.
We try once a month to do like a family dinner type thing.
Every dorm has a house parent. They're really just a person to help you through the boarding program. They're there for you when you need them.
It's like a really good community, and it's a really easy way to make friends. Like I made friends really fast.
Living away from home is not always the easiest, but you make a connection with staff members, you make connections with other boarders.
And it really makes you prepared for college.
Being able to do my own laundry and having to, like go out, go to the grocery store if I want food, being able to like help feed myself and such.
Getting me used to a new environment.
So it's really good about teaching you what you actually need and what you don't need. Also, it helps you with like getting used to being with people.
Your elective is kind of something that you can personalize and pick to you. They definitely have a lot of choices.
I'm taking the elective Early Childhood,
Outdoor Leadership, and American Sign Language.
I have been a part of 2 art classes.
I took ceramics,
painting, pottery, sketching, graphic design.
Now I take a weightlifting class.
In woodworking, I've made stuff from a bench and a table all the way to making a full boat.
My sophomore year and junior year, I did dance. Having dance during the day was really nice because it was kind of like a break to move my body instead of like being sitting in another chair in another class. I feel like that's just a way for the kids at Landmark to like express their creativity that maybe they didn't know they had.
I think anyone can find something they want to do with Landmark's elective.
What made me come to Landmark so far away is what they offered that a lot of schools at home didn't offer. There's not like one school at home that offers as much support as Landmark does.
All of the teachers, like the ones I've had from the EMS all the way to high school, just really want to make sure you succeed.
My freshman year, I struggled a lot in school. I was like, I'm struggling so much, I need a change.
My sophomore year of high school, my parents told me the night before I was coming to tour the school that I was going to go tour private school. At that moment, I was like, no.
I thought I was ready to go to a harder school or a different private school. But there's really no other place like Landmark that would give you the skills and help that you need to be successful in life.
And then I went on a tour, and throughout the tour, I could just see people. I saw people laughing, I saw smaller class sizes, I saw people joking. In my old school, I could never say that I had dyslexia, or I would just curl up in a ball. But now we are all able to understand where we've all been.
We're all struggling with some sort of learning disability.
This is just kind of like a place where you can get away from all of that.
So my parents considered Landmark again, and that's why I came.
Yeah, you feel